This is Milo, the clever cat, always ready for a little adventure. Milo loved finding tasty treats, even if he had to be a little sneaky. One sunny morning, Milo spotted the juiciest fish he had ever seen. But in his hurry, he tripped and tumbled. Oh no! Later, Milo thought about the day. Being clever isn't enough if I don't think ahead. The next day, Milo chose to help a little bird stuck in a bush and felt happy. Even the cleverest need kindness, Milo. Milo started using his cleverness to help the villagers, not just for mischief. The villagers loved Milo, not just for his tricks, but for his kind heart. Milo learned a valuable lesson. Cleverness is best when paired with kindness.